Mahesana, a city nestled in the heart of Gujarat, India, is often overlooked. Despite its modest appearance, Mahesana holds a wealth of experiences waiting to be discovered. This city, with its rich history and vibrant culture, is a testament to the diverse heritage of Gujarat. Yet, beneath its unassuming exterior lies a hidden gem. Mahesana is a place where every corner tells a story, and every street echoes with the whispers of the past. Rich in history, culture, and natural beauty, Mahesana offers a unique charm. The lush green fields that surround the city are a testament to its agricultural heritage, while the historical landmarks stand as silent witnesses to its storied past. It is a place where tradition and modernity intertwine. The bustling markets, filled with the aroma of local spices and the vibrant colors of traditional attire, coexist harmoniously with modern buildings and infrastructure. Mahesana invites you to explore its rich tapestry. From its scenic landscapes to its bustling urban life, the city offers a myriad of experiences for every traveler. Mahesana is located on the banks of the Pushpavati River. This river has been the lifeline of the city, providing water for agriculture and serving as a natural boundary. This strategic location has played a crucial role in its development. The bridges over the Pushpavati River have connected Mahesana to various trading routes, making it a significant hub in the region. The city serves as a gateway to North Gujarat. Its well-maintained roads and highways ensure seamless connectivity to other parts of the state. It is well connected to major cities like Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. This connectivity has facilitated economic growth and cultural exchange, making Mahesana a melting pot of traditions and modernity. Mahesana is an integral part of Gujarat's economic and cultural landscape. The city's markets are bustling with activity, and its festivals are a vibrant display of local traditions and customs. Mahesana's history dates back centuries. The ancient architecture and historical ruins scattered throughout the city are a testament to its rich and varied past. It has witnessed the rise and fall of empires. Each era has left its mark, creating a mosaic of historical and cultural influences that define the city today. The city's heritage is evident in its ancient temples, stepwells, and historical monuments. These structures are not just architectural marvels, but also hold deep cultural and religious significance. These stand as testaments to its glorious past. They tell stories of devotion, craftsmanship, and the indomitable spirit of the people who built them. Mahesana is also known for its vibrant culture. The city's festivals are a riot of colors, sounds, and flavors, reflecting the joyous spirit of its people. It is expressed through its traditional dances, music, and festivals. Each celebration is a unique blend of rituals, performances, and communal harmony. The warmth of its people adds to its allure. The locals, with their welcoming smiles and hospitable nature, make every visitor feel at home. Mahesana offers a unique blend of the old and the new. The cityscape is a fascinating juxtaposition of historical buildings and modern infrastructure, creating a dynamic and ever-evolving environment. It beautifully preserves its heritage while embracing progress. This balance ensures that Mahesana remains rooted in its traditions while moving forward with the times. This makes it an ideal destination for travelers seeking an authentic Indian experience. Whether you're a history buff, a culture enthusiast, or simply looking to explore a new place, Mahesana has something to offer. Come, delve into the heart of Mahesana and uncover its hidden treasures. Experience the magic of this city, where every moment is a journey through time and tradition. Mahesana's history is as rich and fertile as its soil. This land has nurtured countless generations, each leaving an indelible mark on its landscape and culture. The city's roots run deep into antiquity, with archaeological evidence revealing a tapestry of human activity that spans millennia. Evidence suggests settlements thrived here during the Mahabharata era, a time when epic tales and heroic deeds were woven into the fabric of Indian mythology. Legends connect Mahesana to the Pandava brothers, who are said to have roamed these lands during their exile, seeking solace and refuge in its serene landscapes. They are said to have sought refuge in these parts during their exile, finding sanctuary in the dense forests and ancient pathways that crisscross the region. Over the centuries, Mahesana witnessed the rise and fall of powerful dynasties, each contributing to the rich tapestry of its history. The Solankis, the Mughals, and the Marathas all left their mark on the city, shaping its architectural and cultural landscape in profound ways. Each era contributed to Mahesana's architectural and cultural heritage, creating a unique blend of styles that tell the story of its diverse past. The city's historical significance is visible in its numerous temples and monuments, each a testament to the artistic and spiritual endeavors of its people.
One such architectural marvel is the Sun Temple of Modera, a stunning example of the region's rich heritage. Located just a short distance from Mahesana, this temple is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, drawing visitors from around the world. It stands as a testament to the architectural prowess of the Solanki dynasty, whose vision and craftsmanship are evident in every stone. The temple's intricate carvings and celestial alignments are a sight to behold, reflecting the advanced knowledge and artistic sensibilities of its creators.
Mahesana's history is not just confined to ancient texts and crumbling ruins. It lives on in the hearts and minds of its people. It is a living history, woven into the fabric of everyday life, where the past and present coexist in harmony. The city's numerous festivals and traditions are a testament to its rich cultural heritage, celebrated with fervor and joy by its residents. The people of Mahesana take immense pride in their history, cherishing and honoring the legacy passed down through generations. They strive to preserve it for generations to come, ensuring that the stories, traditions, and values of their ancestors continue to inspire and guide the future. Mahesana is often referred to as the Milk City of Gujarat. This title is not just a mere label, but a testament to the region's rich agricultural heritage and its significant contribution to the dairy industry. The landscape of Mahesana is dotted with lush green fields and sprawling dairy farms, painting a picture of abundance and prosperity. This moniker speaks volumes about its agricultural prowess. The farmers here are dedicated and hard-working, cultivating a variety of crops that sustain not just the local population, but also contribute to the state's overall agricultural output. The region is blessed with fertile black cotton soil. This type of soil is known for its high moisture retention and nutrient content, making it ideal for growing a wide range of crops. The fertility of the soil ensures that the crops are healthy and yield bountiful harvests year after year. This makes it ideal for cultivating a variety of crops. From grains to vegetables, the fields of Mahesana are always brimming with life. The diversity of crops grown here is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of the local farmers. Agriculture forms the backbone of Mahesana's economy. The livelihoods of many families depend on the success of their crops and the health of their livestock. The community's deep connection to the land is evident in the care and dedication they put into their work.
The vast stretches of farmland surrounding the city are a testament to its agrarian roots. These lands have been cultivated for generations, with knowledge and techniques passed down from one generation to the next. The continuity of these practices ensures that the land remains fertile and productive. Farmers here cultivate a wide range of crops. These include cotton, which is one of the primary cash crops of the region. The cotton fields, with their white blooms, are a common sight and a significant part of the local economy. Wheat, castor, and cumin. Each of these crops plays a crucial role in the agricultural landscape of Mahesana. Wheat is a staple food, castor is used for its oil, and cumin is a popular spice that is exported to various parts of the world.
However, it is the dairy industry that truly thrives in Mahesana. The region's climate and abundant fodder make it an ideal place for dairy farming. The cows here are well fed and well cared for, resulting in high-quality milk production. The region is home to a large number of dairy farms. These farms are equipped with modern facilities and follow best practices to ensure the health and productivity of the livestock. The dairy farmers of Mahesana are known for their expertise and commitment to quality. These farms produce a significant portion of Gujarat's milk supply. The milk is collected, processed and distributed to various parts of the state, ensuring that the people of Gujarat have access to fresh and nutritious dairy products. The Dudhsagar Dairy, located in Mahesana, is one of the largest dairy cooperatives in Asia. It is a symbol of the region's success in the dairy industry and a source of pride for the local community. It plays a pivotal role in the region's economic prosperity. The dairy products processed here are of the highest quality and are distributed not just within India, but also exported to international markets.
The agricultural landscape of Mahesana is a sight to behold. The fields are meticulously maintained, and the crops are carefully tended to, ensuring that they grow to their full potential. The lush green fields, stretching as far as the eye can see, create a serene and picturesque environment. This natural beauty is a source of inspiration and pride for the people of Mahesana. The sight of farmers tending to their crops with dedication and care is a common and heartwarming sight. These farmers are the backbone of the community, working tirelessly to ensure that the land remains productive and bountiful. And the aroma of freshly harvested produce fill the air. The fresh produce is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the farmers, and it is a source of pride for the entire community. It is a reminder of the city's deep connection to the land and its bounty. The people of Mahesana have a profound respect for the land and they work tirelessly to ensure that it remains fertile and productive for future generations.
Water, the elixir of life, courses through the veins of Mahesana. The city is graced by the presence of the Sipu River. This gentle river meanders through the countryside. It nourishes the land and sustains its people. The river is not just a source of water for irrigation. It's also a lifeline for the local ecosystem.
The Kadi Lake, a sprawling water body on the outskirts of Mahesana, adds to the region's scenic beauty. This lake is a haven for migratory birds. It attracts nature enthusiasts and birdwatchers from far and wide.
These water bodies play a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of the region. They support a diverse flora and fauna. The rivers and lakes of Mahesana are not just sources of water. They are integral parts of the region's cultural and spiritual fabric.
Local communities revere these water bodies. They hold festivals and religious ceremonies on their banks. The people of Mahesana understand the importance of preserving these precious resources. They are actively involved in efforts to conserve and protect them for future generations.